Cooking doesn't have to be a chore anymore. It can be smart, fast, and even fun. In 2025, air fryers have evolved into powerful kitchen companions, packed with cutting-edge features that make meal prep easier than ever. From dual basket designs to lightning-fast heating systems, these aren't your average air fryers. In this video, we're breaking down some of the top models that are changing the game. Which one fits your lifestyle best? Which one gives you the most bang for your buck? Stick around, because by the end, you'll know exactly which air fryer belongs in your kitchen. At the top of the list is the Philips Airfryer 3000 series. Looking to make healthier meals without compromising on flavor? The Philips Airfryer 3000 series might be your perfect match in 2025. With its generous 7.2-liter capacity, it easily handles meals for up to 6 people. Ideal for large families, gatherings, or meal prep lovers. Whether you're cooking fries, chicken wings, or even homemade pastries, this air fryer delivers with precision. The real magic lies in its Rapid Air Plus technology. It circulates hot air faster and more evenly, giving your food that crispy golden outside and juicy inside, using up to 90% less fat than traditional deep frying. Its sleek touchscreen interface lets you set temperature and time with just a tap. You'll love the built-in shake reminder that helps you get perfectly even cooking every time. No preheating and completely silent operation. Absolutely. And when you're done, you can wash the non-stick basket and accessories in the dishwasher or by hand. Whether you're roasting vegetables, reheating leftovers, baking a cake, or whipping up a full meal from scratch, the Philips Series 3000 can do it all. If you're serious about healthy, effortless cooking in 2025, this air fryer is more than just an appliance. It's a smart, everyday companion in your kitchen. Second on our list is the Foodi DualZone Air Fryer. Tired of waiting for one dish to finish before starting the next? The Foodi DualZone Air Fryer solves that with its unique 2-basket design, letting you cook 2 different foods at different temps at the same time. With DualZone technology and the Smart Finish feature, both meals are ready together, no more cold side dishes. Each basket holds 4 quarts, giving you a total of 8 quarts of cooking space, ideal for families or meal prep. From air frying and roasting to dehydrating and reheating, it delivers 6 cooking functions in one device. You'll use up to 75% less fat than traditional frying without sacrificing the crispy finish you crave. The sleek digital control panel is easy to use, and the dishwasher-safe parts make cleanup quick and stress-free. This is what smart cooking in 2025 looks like with the Foodi Air Fryer. Fast, healthy, and perfectly timed. If you're ready to take your kitchen routine to the next level, meet the Turbo Blaze 6-quart air fryer, one of the smartest and most efficient kitchen upgrades you can make in 2025. Equipped with a DC motor, the Turbo Blaze offers 40% faster cooking than traditional air fryers, without compromising texture or taste. Its 6-quart capacity makes it perfect for couples or small families, while still being compact enough to fit comfortably on your counter. Whether you're air frying crispy wings, roasting vegetables, or reheating last night's leftovers, the Turbo Blaze has you covered with 9 customizable cooking functions. The standout feature, its precise temperature control and 5-speed fan system, giving you full control over how your food turns out, whether you want a light crisp or deep golden crunch. It also features a sleek digital touch display that's intuitive and easy to navigate. Foodi didn't stop at performance. The Turbo Blaze is also built with health in mind. You'll enjoy your favorite foods with up to 85% less fat, thanks to its advanced air circulation system. And when you're done cooking, the non-stick basket is dishwasher safe, making cleanup effortless. Modern, powerful, and surprisingly quiet, the Foodi Turbo Blaze is proof that fast food can still be real food. For anyone serious about cooking smarter in 2025, this air fryer is a game changer. Meet the Dreo Chefmaker Air Fryer, a smart appliance that brings precision cooking to your countertop. This model uses combi-cook technology, blending air frying, steam, and precise temperature control for chef-level results. Its 1,500-watt power and 6-quart capacity make it ideal for cooking tender steaks, juicy chicken, or perfectly crisp veggies, all with little to no oil. What really makes it stand out is its built-in food probe that monitors the internal temperature, so your food is never undercooked or dry. The digital touchscreen is easy to navigate, and it offers 11 preset cooking modes for everything from seafood to baked goods. Cleanup is hassle-free thanks to its non-stick, dishwasher-safe basket and accessories. For those who want flavor, precision, and convenience all in one, the Drio Chef Maker is a smart pick for your 2025 kitchen. Thanks for watching. We hope this guide helped you discover the perfect air fryer for your kitchen. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more smart home tech reviews. Until next time, cook smarter, not harder.